Hi everyone, Leo here, founder of Lion Paper Products. I've spent a little over 20 years running notebook and stationery manufacturing across China and Cambodia with export programs to the US, EU, and beyond. Today, I'm giving you a fast view guide to cloth-covered custom notebooks, what they're great for, how to spec them so they ship cleanly, and a copy-paste checklist you can drop into your RFQs. Why cloth and when it wins? If you need a notebook that feels premium the moment it's in hand, cloth and linen win. They lift perceived value, shrug off shelf scuffs, better than paper wraps, and unlock classy finishes like foil, deboss, and gilded edges without making the product precious or fragile. Think executive gifts, premium journals, lay flat planners for daily use, and artist editions that need a tactile story. Clothes also photographs beautifully. A woven texture plus tight foil logo plus a simple belly band routinely outperforms glossy art paper for giftable impression, especially for DTC and corporate kits. The quick options map lets match use case to the right spec. Executive gifts, corporate programs, linen cloths, case bound, hardcover, gold or matte copper foil on the front, a clean spine deboss, one ribbon plus elastic, optional slipcase for bigger moments, daily planners, smooth book cloth, case bound or wire O case bound for perfect lay flat. Add monthly index tabs, pen loop, and metal corners. If this travels in bags, artist portfolio, wire O case bound with heavier interior stock, painted or gilded edges for brand pop. Retail premium journals, cloth, case bound, restrained foil title, plus a craft belly band for storage space and UPC. Pro tip: share one printed interior across several cloth colors to hit MOQs, while offering a collection on shelf. Binding choices: feel versus function. Casebound, hardcover, the most durable, clean spine for foil, deboss, easy to pair with slipcases and dust jackets. YO casebound, true 360 degrees lay flat, with a cloth wrapped case, best for sketchers, designers, and planners. Flexibound, thinner board wrapped in cloth for lighter carry and lower unit cost. If your planner is written in every day, wire O casebound reduces user friction. If it's a gift or keepsake journal, casebound carries more weight at retail. Finishes that sell and survive. Foil stamping in gold, silver, copper, or matte colors. Keep minimum stroke is greater than or equal to 0.25 mm, and avoid ultrafine serifs on textured linens. Deboss, emboss to add tactile identity. Go a touch deeper on heavy weaves and add a little heat dwell to avoid fiber crush. Gilded or painted edges are instant premium, but only send the book block to a mirror finish and allow a full cure before packing. Cost and durability levers. Board thickness 1.8, 2.5 mm. Gray board delivers the rigid feel that survives e-commerce. Cloth grade, easiest way to modulate unit cost. Move from custom linen to house clothes without losing the premium signal. Edge protection, corner protectors on wire or travel SKUs cut dent claims. MOQs, tooling and dies. Amortize best at 1,000 plus units. SKU, share interiors across colors to scale smartly. Quality, compliance, and retail ready. Ask your supplier to run with FSC chain of custody, ISO 9001, and social audits like SMETA, BSCI. For the US, specify Prop 65, CPSIA where relevant. On the QA side, set expectations for rub, adhesion tests on foil, cloth scuff tests, humidity warp checks, and drop edge crush on packaging. These are small line items that prevent big headaches in season. The copy-paste RFQ checklist, read it out or paste into your brief. Format, size, page count, interior, paper, GSM, opacity, ruling, dot, grid, ruled, plain. Cover, cloth type and color, board thickness, end papers, head, tail bands. Branding, foil, color and area, deboss, emboss, depth, edge gilding, painting color. Binding, case bound, wire O, case bound, flexibound, confirm, lay flat, target. Add-ons, ribbon, elastic, pen loop, pocket, corner protectors, belly band, dust jacket, slipcase. Packaging, OPP or shrink for wholesale, FSC mailer for DTC, rigid gift box for VIP. Compliance, FSC, COC, ISO 9001, SMETA, BSCI, Prop 65, CPSIA if applicable. Tests and AQL, foil rub, adhesion, cloth scuff, humidity, warp, drop test spec, AQL levels, Kappa flow. Logistics, ship marks, pallet plan, target cube, climate route. Samples, pre-production set with same batch cloth and foil. Factory floor pitfalls. To avoid, 3 quick ones I see most. 1. Mismatch between cloth dye and brand Pantone. Cloth dyes is not equal to ink. Approve physical swatches, not PDFs. 2. Foil too fine for the weave. On textured linens, fine detail fills in. Thicken strokes or switch to smoother book cloth. 3. Rushing gilded edges. If you don't sand and fully cure, cartons come out with edge scuff or stuck pages. Build 24 hours of cure time into your schedule. Sample specs you can steal. Executive Cloth Journal A5 192 P80 GSM FSC uncoated case bound 2 mm board navy linen gold foil 30 x 50 mm 0.1 ribbon plus pocket plus elastic gold gilded edges belly band FSC mailer planner lay flat B5 224 P90 GSM wire O case bound charcoal smooth cloth white foil 12 cut tabs 2 ribbons corner protectors painted edges Pantone match retail box wrap up and next step cloth is your fastest route to premium without drama. Get the board right, spec finishes that suit the weave, lock your tests, and you'll ship a notebook that survives freight, earns better reviews, and just feels right in hand. If you want me to price cloth versus PU versus hardbound paper on your SKUs, send me size, page count, target, MSRP, and channels. I'll reply with 2-3 spec paths, MOQs, unit cost, lead times, plus a sample plan. Thanks for listening. I'm Leo. You design, we deliver.